today at this video. I have all my Christmas gifts open, and I'm going to show you two of them, Annie and Clarabelle. And when the train rolls, there's a light bulb open. They roll, they light up. And I have another Christmas gift all the way over here. It's a drawbridge.
Awesome. Is that like a drawbridge you've seen before?
Mm-hmm.
Like what? It's kind of like the swing bridge at where? At Topsail, sort of. But it swings sideways, right?
It swings, the swinging bridge at top swings sideways, but this one doesn't.
Can you show me what you have to turn?
You have to turn this to go up this way. Then you have to turn that way
Really
to let
nice.
it. Then go this. I'm going to stop doing this and show you the next one. Next Christmas gift. A hamster.
A hamster?
A hamster. She's right in and
I see her. She's getting her bed all ready.
there.
Comfy.
Her. And here is what I needed so I can carry her.
Oh, a school bus?
Yes, a school bus.
What about this thing?
No,
Does he like the hamster?
we do not like the hamster. And I also have this wooden painting train.
Wooden painting train. Very cool.
And you also have to put it together. Down here, this is nothing, just the box for the school bus. Here's a puzzle.
Oh, what is that puzzle?
It's of every place.
A map of the United States.
And over here we have
What's in
Lego.
here?
And over here I have Sour Patch Kids gum. Another Christmas tree. And
Rudolph Rain Pop.
Rudolph Ring Pop. Hershey Kiss. A whistle. More Hershey Kisses. Here's a Pez. Here's Anna Dory.
Wait, slow down. Dory what? Show me Dory.
Pez Dory.
Oh, nice.
And the candy cane. And some more Pez for Dory. And some Hershey Kisses. And Pez and Hershey Kisses.
Okay, that's good.
And two more Hershey Kisses. And a holiday train.
Oh, we've seen this before in a video.
And right here, Lego Duplo Miles and Lego Duplo. And us.
Lego Duplo Miles from Tomorrowland. 44 pieces. Lego Duplo House. Learn about day and night. And oh, Bash and Dash.
And Bash.
Not so fast.
Bash and Dash.
Wow. Well, first, before we go, tell me what the important thing about Christmas is.
Jesus.
What about it?
That he died on the cross.
Yeah, but what happened to him on Christmas?
He raised up.
It's his birthday.
It's birthday. his birthday.
We celebrated his birthday today, right?
Yeah.
All right, so what do you want to say to Jesus?
Happy birthday, Jesus.